Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we are going to go over the process to be able to change your time or set your clock. And so first you'll need to have the car in the on position, the accessories on, or stopped in park with your vehicle running. And so while it's doing that, then we have the navigation screen. You can either use the touchpad, which is the touch screen, or there is a navigation module on the center console right behind the gear selector. And so we can twist that. We can go over to settings. We're going to tap settings, and then we want to get that to move over. And so we're going to scroll over to the clock, and then it's on GPS sync right now. And so if we want to have adjustment manually, we have to turn off the GPS sync. Then we can go scroll up one, and we can adjust our time by moving this over. We can decrease the hours or increase in the minutes, and then when we're done we just hit the back button, and that changed our time. And then you have your 24-hour settings or 12-hour, and that would be how you set your time on your phone, your Mazda CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.